To open SIM slot without SIM tool on the Realme C71, all you simply have to do is just grab yourself a paperclip and bend it and straighten out one end of this paperclip, so you will be able to actually insert it into the pinhole of this SIM tray. And as you take a look, this item is the most common item you can have at your house and actually most safe, and as you can see you can like replace it with the SIM tool. So let's take a look. I mean, you can replace the SIM tool with this paperclip. So let's find the SIM tray right here. Here we have the SIM tray on the left side of the phone, and here is this little hole right here. So to open up this SIM tray with the with this paperclip, simply insert this straightened end of this paperclip inside the pinhole for the SIM tool and simply just push until this SIM tray will be ejected. Let me just quickly do this. Alright, and as you can see, this right here is now opened, and we can take it out with our nails, with our fingers, just like this. And here is our SIM tray, and we just ejected it using this paperclip. So that's how you can do this.